In a previous video, we demoed the execution of Cosmos transactions and queries from within the EVM as part of our Quasar technology. To recap, Quasar unifies the EVM and Cosmos environments in a general, bidirectional way. The EVM has access to Cosmos APIs and vice versa. In the EVM, Quasar implements a Cosmos SDK precompile that enables you to use Cosmos APIs from the EVM. But in previous demos, these transactions were sent directly to the EVM precompiled contract due to limitations from the Go Ethereum EVM module. But today you will see Cosmos transactions sent through a smart contract. Using this Go Ethereum branch that I prepared for extensible precompiles that offers the same context information to precompiles as it is offered to normal smart contracts. Now the precompile will know the contract address that called it, not only the transaction origin account. And this means the Cosmos message will treat the smart contract address as the signer of the message. This enables Cosmos messages to be sent, for example, from a multisig. You can create governance proposals from an EVM multisig or stake pooled multisig assets. And now the demo. I have here an example, a simple example of a proxy contract in Remix. This contract can be anything, including a multisig. We are connected to the Mythos chain right now, which is our cutting-edge public chain where you can test our latest prototypes and demos. What we did is take this multisig contract address, which was deployed on Mythos, and send it some funds. Take this address, and see our Mythos BEC32 address, and we can go to the Mythos Explorer, and we see that we have 7 MITE, which is the native currency of the Mythos chain. So these are 7 MITE tokens that the mock multisig has as balance. And now we can construct a Cosmos message, and we are going to use our Ganas wallet app for that, because we have a dApp that can encode Cosmos messages. In Web3, Quasar Cosmos in EVM, and we want to encode a message send Cosmos message. From address, we add our smart contract proxy multisig address, and then we will send these tokens to another address that currently has 16 MITE tokens. And we will send 1 MITE token. So here we have a MITE token which has 18 decimals. So when we press send, the encoded message is here. We can just copy the message and paste it in Remix. We send the message through MetaMask. And after the transaction is finalized, the receiver account now has 17 myte, so it was sent 1 myte token, and our contract has 6 myte. So 1 myte was sent from the proxy contract, which can be a multisig, to the receiver. Today you have seen that you can send Cosmos transactions from an EVM smart contract of any type, including a multisig, and execute a Cosmos transaction. The execution decision is implemented by the EVM contract, and the Cosmos transaction is performed, and the execution outcome is returned and can be stored in the EVM contract state. Stay tuned for the next Quasar demos and standard updates.